Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Eloy local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is an affordable, reliable moving company in Eloy, Arizona. Our experienced crews assist residential, commercial, and specialty customers with long-distance and local moves. If you are preparing for a long-distance move to or from Eloy, Arizona, you may have concerns about the widespread stories about moving company frauds targeting customers. The shady movers either demand a much larger than agreed payment in order to deliver the shipment, or they just disappear entirely. How can you avoid these scams? 3 Movers offers some tips, taken from the website of the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, to help you avoid unscrupulous vendors. 1. Stay away from movers that won't conduct a visual survey of your shipment. The movers should come to your home and review everything you want to move. This step is required by the regulator, FMCSA, and results in the development of a more accurate estimate. Movers that offer a tempting price over the phone without looking at your possessions may not be honest. 2. Be suspicious if the mover insists on a large deposit before the move. It's traditional to pay for moving services when the delivery occurs, not before. A mover that wants a substantial payment up front might not deliver. If they want cash, that is even more reason to worry. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Eloy moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.